How to board slide. Okay, step one, what you want to do, when you're riding up, ride up in a normal alley position. Kind of lean towards the rail and angle yourself towards the rail. And once you get on, you're going to want to pop, center your board on the rail, put your feet on the bolts, and then slide it out. And then once you get to the end, adjust your shoulders which way you want to turn out. If you want to go regular or come out fakie, and then you can ride away. I normally go out fakie. It's just better for me. And all you want to do is when you're on the rail, kind of going to be on, and then you want to twist your shoulders. And so yeah, how to board slide.